One from Jennie's Banana Kick to Nongshim's Shrimp Crackers and K-pop Demon Hunters. Netflix's global #1 animation K-pop Demon Hunters, casually called Ketchup in Korea, has become a pop culture hit, and fans quickly noticed foods resembling Nongshim snacks making cameo appearances. Within the show, stand-ins for Shin Ramyun and shrimp crackers appear as Dongshim Shin Ramen and spicy potato chips, serving as subtle product placement for global audiences. Previously, Blackpink Jennie introduced Banana Kick on a U.S. talk show, causing Nongshim's market cap to jump by 260 billion, 188 taels. This marks yet another unexpected viral moment. Apparently, K-pop Demon Hunters is all the rage now. Guess I'm watching it this weekend. Original article, KR, Mail, https, www.mitrnews, news, article view. HTML, IDX no, 12608452, Korean office workers swapping pork cutlets for salad. A growing number of male office workers in Korea are choosing salads for lunch, driven by interest in weight control and blood sugar management. Hyundai Green Food reported salad selections surpassed 15% across 600-plus cafeterias, with over 10% among men aged 30-plus. Catering companies like Our Home and CJ Freshway also saw salad-to-go sales rise more than 20%. If slow aging is showing up in office lunches, I think it's beyond a trend. It's just how we live now. Original article, KR. Hank Young, https, www.hankyoung.com, article, 2025-0713333913 Gochujang, replaces ketchup. Korean sauces go global. Korean sauces, led by gochujang, fermented red pepper paste, are gaining traction globally as alternatives to ketchup or sriracha, reaching 550 billion 395 million in export value last year. Food giant Daesung has developed unique fermentation and formulation technology, making their products hard to replicate. Their gochujang is now sold in over 100 countries. Major chains like McDonald's and Burger King are releasing Korean-style burgers, while brands like Dongwon, Kimchi Chipotle Mayo, and Samyang, Buldak Sauce, are actively expanding in B2B. We just got a kimchi bulgogi burger at Lotte in Korea. I'm calling it. An overseas version is coming soon with K seasoning. Original article KR. Hank Young, https, www.hankyoung.com. Article 2025-071 February 20414. Fruit subscriptions and Michelin chefs. Korean department stores level up. F&B department stores in Korea are fiercely competing through food. Lotte launched a fruit subscription service, while Shinsegae introduced Michelin-connected delis in-store. Lotte is targeting Northern Seoul with its subscription model and expanding its premium food hall, Le Piquerie, to major branches. Shinsegae revamped its flagship Gangnam Store's food hall, adding exclusive brands like Kyoto Onimaru and 1 Degree North to elevate experiential dining. According to Korea's Ministry of Trade, food is taking up a bigger slice of department store sales. People now go to eat, not just shop. Original article, KR. Herald Biz, https://biz, heraldcorp.com, article, 105328095 Korean F&B franchises face an M&A freeze. First-wave delivery franchises, pizza, chicken, burgers, are flooding the M&A market, but no one's buying due to regulatory risk and sluggish consumer demand. Brands like Pizza Nara Chicken Gongju, Burger King Korea, KFC, and Pizza Hut are familiar names, but rebranding them to match new trends has proven difficult, turning them into permanent for-sale listings. Meanwhile, Norang Tongdak was acquired by Jollibee, Philippines, and Go Pizza is eyeing global investment with a strong presence in India. With rising labor costs and a weak economy, it's tough to profit from F&B in Korea. Maybe global expansion really is the only path forward. Original article KR. Hank Young, https, www.hankyoung.com. Article 2025-715868. There are foreign newsletter schedule 1st and 3rd Fridays. Korean food trend highlights 2nd and 4th Fridays. Global food trend highlights follow on Instagram. https, www.instagram.com. Food Trend Mag FOOREND shares even faster updates on Instagram stories. So don't miss out and make sure to follow through the link above. Business contact, Food Trend, foorendugmail.com. You can also contact via LinkedIn. https://www.linkedin.com. Newsletters. FOOREND Food Trend 735-6297-084-8273-924. Check out the Korean FOOREND full archive. https://foodtrend.styb.com.